With the Congress also elevating Rahul Gandhi to the Vice President's post, it's now time for the BJP to get its house in order. Even as the BJP presidential polls are around the corner, several names are now emerging to challenge Nitin Gadkari's second term as the President of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Even as Congress anoints the Gandhi scion as the Vice President of the party, BJP camp is battling with the leadership crisis. With internal divisions over Nitin Gadkari's second term intensifying, sources tell your channel that RSS is now looking at other options ahead of the BJP's presidential polls.
While a second term for Nitin Gadkari as the president of the BJP has always been open with strong backing from the RSS, there have been attempts to try and get a consensus on other names. There was an attempt to get a consensus on Rajnath Singh but didn't quite work out. Now, top leaders of the RSS have consulted with senior leader L.K. Advani to try and get a consensus on the name of Sushma Swaraj, throwing open the presidential race within the BJP once again.
In fact, sources tell your channel that Sushma's name was proposed by the RSS second-in-command, Bhayaji Joshi, who met senior BJP leader on Friday in the national capital. But the big question is, will Sushma Swaraj emerge as the consensus candidate, or will the BJP fall back once again on Nitin Gadkari? A decision that the BJP will need to take at the earliest, given the fact that the Congress have already seized the initiative away from them. Bureau Report, Times Now.